কি কওঁ বেছি pressure একদম pressure match থাকিছে really especially more pressure because we conceded very early so we capitalized we equalized and then that's how the match settled and then we push even the Newland they push but the match had to be decided by the tiebreaker and thankful to God he answered our prayer. So yeah, that's it. We are the champion of 24th.
In Moon District. This
Yes.
is your first champion. So
Yeah.
what does it mean for Moon District?
This is everything. This is everything. I wanted this to lift this trophy from not for me, for my people, and they turn out in huge number, a massive crowd. Thankful to each and every one of them, and this is not my trophy. This is our trophy, Konyak's trophy.
Do you believe that given this win, you're going to see a surge of footballers in Moon?
Sure, definitely there will be. Even by now, this morning I got little emotional because I saw a kid bending his shirt, writing a mon on his shirt. So that's how we are like inspiring little by little. So after this championship, I believe there will be many more inspiring players